to my YouTube channel, Learning with Crown Tech. In today's episode of another video, I'm going to be showing you 7 powerful AI prompts you can use to generate wealth for yourself. You can use to start making money for yourself, depending on your career, depending on the kind of skills you possess and the kind of profession you are into. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you the 7 powerful AI prompt you can use. You can use it on any AI platform, be it ChatGPT, Gemini AI, Grok's AI. So you can use it on any AI platform. So I'm going to be showing you the 7 powerful AI prompts I use to scale up my business starting from the beginning of this 2026. So before we proceed, if this is your first time coming across a video like this, my name is Daniel and here is Learn with Crown Tech, where we post relevant video about the tech industry, how to do things online, how to make websites, and every other thing. So if this is what you love to watch, click on the subscribe button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon in order to get notified anytime we post relevant video like this. Now, without wasting our time, I'm going to be using ChatGPT for the sake of this video, and I'm going to also reference Grok's AI as time goes on. So now, first thing we need to do is I'm going to show you the prompt, and I'll also put the link. I'll also add the link in the description of this video on how you can get this powerful prompt all for free. So it's free. I'm going to be giving you this AI prompt for free. So I'm going to be dropping a link in the description of this video. So the first prompt I'm going to be showing you is this. So here is our first AI prompt. So you can see, like I said, we have 7 prompts we are going to be using. So the first one is skill to cash converter. So this is the prompt. Just copy it here and just copy it. So we are going to go to our ChatGPT. Let's use the app. I have the app here. So you can download this app on your phone, on your mobile phone from the Play Store, and you can also use it. Now I'll just go to ChatGPT and type the prompt. Now I said, look at my current skill. Now you are going to list your skill. So if you have more than one, you can list it. Look at my current skills, website design, and show me 3 realistic way to monetize each using AI if I have no audience. So you are trying to tell ChatGPT to give you 3 ways in which you can monetize your skills, which is fashion designer, which is graphic designer, website designer, content creator, without having no audience. So when you send it, it's going to show you ways in which you can do what. Now you currently have website designing and programming. He said I'll show you 3 ways to what to AI. I'll show you 3 realistic monetization paths for each. And the first one is web design. You can use AI power website package for small business. So what they are trying to say is that you can use AI to create a small website package for small businesses, and you charge within 80 to 250k per business. Now how do you do it? Go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to create a one-page website for this so business. Maybe the business is about food selling business. You can tell ChatGPT to just create a one-page website that has about us section, services section, frequently asked questions section. It will generate logo for you, it will generate image tools, it will generate AI SEO tools for you. Now everything is going to be there. How do you get started? Create one demo site for church or for business. You are going to offer them, you are going to charge them up. I help small business get professional website in 7 days, and AI will reduce the work because you are going to be using AI to create the website. Now the second thing is website redesign and speed fix. So what you can use AI also to do as a website designer, you can use it to redesign websites for people and also fix the speed of their website. Now this is how you can do it. AI audit websites, UX and SEO. AI suggests layout improvement. AI write weak content. Now pricing, you can charge from 40 to 120k. Now the third one, template website and AI customization. You can use AI to create website templates and AI customization. Now let's go to the second skills, which is programming. 3 ways to make money from programming. This is what AI is giving out to us. He said AI assisted freelance development, fast delivery. What you build: a simple web app, admin dashboard, blah blah blah. Now let's look at the second one: build micro tools and sell to business. You can build a micro tools like invoice generator, sales tracker, currency converter, WhatsApp order system, church attendance application. And you can sell it to church. Like this invoice generator, you can create it as an app, as a programmer, and you sell it to small businesses. AI is going to help you to what to do that. Now the third one is automation for businesses. You understand? So let's go to the second prompt. Let's go. Now this is the second prompt. It says help me create a faceless digital offer I can sell anonymously, including pricing, positioning, and a simple delivery system. So you can just copy it now. Now the AI already know that you are a website designer, so it can now use the first information you give to it to generate the second information. It said help me create a faceless digital offer. Now since it know you are a web designer, it can give you a faceless offer, a digital offer you can sell to Nigerians. Now here it said a faceless digital offer fit your skills, work in Nigeria. You can see it's working based on the skills you have given to it. Faceless digital offer, instant business, website in a box, blah blah blah. Now the offer you want to give, what you are selling, name, you adjust it: instant biz website kit. So it's trying to create an offer for you that you can sell. It includes 5-page business websites. What it's trying to tell you is that you can create a business instant business website kit, that you are telling business that okay, I can easily create a website for you as fast as possible, and this website is going to include all this. So then who is it for? You can run ad with this. It is a perfect offer starting from what, 50K upward. Now let's go to another prompt. It said AI side hustle finder based on current market demand, suggest low competition AI powered side hustle I can start this week. Now you can also use this now based on um the increase in a lot of things. So the market has saturated. You can also use this now. Let's, because of our time, I'm going to stop in this third prompt, but I'm going to be dropping the link to get the prompt in the description of this video. It said based on current market demand, suggest low competition AI powered side hustle I can start this week. So you can click on it. He said here are realistic low competition AI powered side hustle you can start this week. The first one is AI generated business systems test setup. This is for local business. What you do, you help business automate repetitive tasks using AI. Example: WhatsApp auto reply and FAQ bot. You can generate a bot for them. AI email responder, Google Sheet reporting. Why it is low? Most local business don't know this exists and think it is expensive. Just pick one automation type: WhatsApp auto chat. Create a simple AI setup using ChatGPT API or Landbot or ManyChat. Sell it as a done for you services. Pricing based on. So now we have the second one: AI assisted UX audit and optimization for small business. Then the third one, we have AI resume and LinkedIn profile makeover. So transform boring resume and LinkedIn profile into AI optimized selling access. So you can use ChatGPT. A lot of people will say they want to modify their resume, they want to modify their LinkedIn profile. You can use AI, you can charge them and use AI to what to do it. Now number 4, AI powered content package for business, social media copy, landing page, a lot of that. Then AI driving niche lead generator. We have AI assisted mini SaaS tools. So you can also create a SaaS tool like software as services tools. AI content writer, you can create a small very app that is an AI content rewriter. AI frequently asked question generator. You can do that. Like a lot of AI tools that are out there. We have logo generator, we have AI rewriter tools, we have PDF to word converter, a lot of that. We have currency converter, so you can create something based on what you think. All these things are low in demand, and you can create it. Now this thing is showing me is based on my business. Now let me tell it that okay, my business is a fashion designer. So as a fashion designer, so this work for every it work across all businesses. So because it's giving me this suggestion based on my skills, based on my profession, so I'm trying to change my skills as a fashion designer. So now, right, fashion is actually one of the best niche right now. Now, low competitive AI side also for a fashion designer, AI powered online fashion presence setup. So all these things you can do it as a fashion designer. So everything, all these prompts that I'm showing you, you can use it based on your skills. So these are the 7 AI prompts I've used this year. I've tested and I've used to scale up my business this year, and I want you also to use it to scale up your business. Just copy and paste it, tell ChatGPT the kind of business you are doing, the kind of profession you are doing, and it's going to suggest. Just pick out of the enormous and out of the ones it sent, just pick one and work on it this week and see how your business is going to scale up. In addition to what we have done, let me show you another website you can use. You can use Grok's AI. Just go to Google and type grok.com. So it's going to take you to this place, and you can also use this AI platform. It's just similar to Google, to ChatGPT. So let's say I want to use the first prompt, which is this: look at my current skills, show me 3 realistic. So you can also use this if you don't want to use ChatGPT. Most time I prefer this one to ChatGPT. So let's say so let me use this. So you can use this. Just go to grok.com and it will take you there. Ask your question based on the prompt you want to use. Monetize websites design skills with AI, even without an established audience or client base. This one will break it down. Unlike ChatGPT, it will just give you a direct answer. This one will break it down and you actually understand what it is saying. The first one is freelance website customization service on gig platform like Fiverr. Now it's telling you, now you can see that ChatGPT did not mention all this, but Grok is mentioning all this, that okay, as a website designer, I can run a gigs customization services, a freelance customization services on Fiverr, Upwork, freelance.com, 99 design. So for small businesses, and collect my $50, $500. Now second one, selling AI generated website templates. ChatGPT makes mention of this. Building and selling AI powered niche tools or plugin. So it's still the same as template. So I think it mentioned 3. We told it to mention 3. You can tell it to mention 7. Now this second one is what I'm currently doing. Yeah, if you go to app.crontechconcept.com.ng, you see a section there where we give website scripts for free, so you can try it out today and let us know how it goes. So without wasting much of our time, this is going to be the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like the video, share to your friend who might also need this video, and comment if you actually get value from this content. Comment you get value, and let us know what you are willing to, what you want us to do video on next. What topic do you want us to make video on, and we are going to select and make video on those particular topic. Now thank you, have a nice day.